Hi there, this side Virin. So today we are trying to discuss one of the question, and it is from Richburg's daily practice question, and question name is state specific sorting of string, right? So let us see what is the question statement. So according to the question, it is given that given a string as consists of only uppercase and lowercase character, the task is to sort uppercase and lowercase character separately such that ith place in original string has an uppercase character and then it should not have an lowercase character after being sorting and vice versa. So let us see how what they are trying to say in this question statement. So let me discuss through a whiteboard. Yeah. So for example, let's say we have a string like string contain uppercase and lowercase character. We know that. So for example, let me take a small example. For this example, string content A C. This is the string. So what is our task? We have to sort all the lowercase, for example, so lowercase and uppercase separately. So we just collect what are the lowercase character in this string we have. So A, B, C, Z. These are the lowercase character we are present. Like here it's A, here it's B, here it's C, here it's Z, and nothing else. Okay. And in uppercase, what are the things we have? We have capital A, we have capital K, we have capital L and capital C, right? These are the uppercase. So we have to sort them separately. Whatever character we have here, it doesn't interfere here, and whatever the character we have here, it doesn't interfere here. So let me sort out. It's already in sorted order. I write it here A, B, C, Z, and here we need to sort. Firstly came A, then C, then K, then L. These are the sorted way of this order. And now we have to make a final string. Let's say S is our final string. Initially it's empty, right? It's empty string. So what we have to put in S, we have to put this sorted order according to this string. For example, let's say this is the let's say input string. So whenever we found a lowercase character, in that place no uppercase character will came in our answer also. So what we have to do, we have to just do like this. In first is lowercase, so we have to put first lowercase character which is smaller than all of them, because we have to sort in ascending order like this and like this. So lowercase, yeah, it is lowercase. So what is the first smallest lowercase? We have A. So answer, we just add A, right? Now we have uppercase character. So what is the first uppercase character in sorted order of the uppercase? That is capital A. So we just put capital A here, right? And now we have lowercase, that is second sorted character in lowercase, that is B. Now we have C, and C we put. Now we have Z. Now K. Now we have to look, this is the uppercase character, and we have to put next character which are came up in their order. So what is that is C right here. So we just need to add C and again uppercase. So we have to check next uppercase in order, that is capital K and that is capital K. We're done with this second capital letter this. So we are left with one C here. This is our final answer. Let me take one more example. Let me take the sample input itself. What is here given? It's given like this. Let me copy it and paste it. Okay, so we have this. So what we have to do, let me collect all the smaller case separately. It's here. Let me make a partition. Let me take all the smaller here and a large here. So we have D, R, T came here, R, T came here, then S is also came here. We have next we have E, next we have R, then S, then U, then X, then I. This two, we separate the lowercase and uppercase, right? Now we need to sort it out. So what is the sorted order of it? Its sorted order is look like, first we have to sort in alphabetic order like in ascending order. So D, then E, then next E, then F, then R, then S. This is the sorted order of this. And what is the sorted order of this? That is X. This is the sorted order of this order. And what is our, for example, what is our what we have to put in our final string? Let me, yeah, okay, we have two sorted order, right? This and this. Let me copy that. What is in our question? Let me bring here. Okay, so now we need to build our answer. Let's say S is our answer string. So firstly lowercase letter, so we need to put this D, right? So D. Again lowercase, then E, then lowercase, next that is also E. Uppercase, so we need to take it from here, that is I, right? So I. Now we done with this. Now we came here again uppercase, then take one character from here, that is R. Again uppercase, take one character, that is S. Lowercase, take one character. We done with this thing. Now that is F, turn of F, right? And lowercase done. Again lowercase, that is R. So let me put that R. Now uppercase, so let me take T, then again uppercase, that is U, again uppercase, that is we build, right? So this is our answer. Let's code it out, this question. So what we have to simply do, we just firstly separate out the what. For example, this is what our question is. This is what our question is. Let me bring it up. Okay, so firstly what we need to do, we need to separate lowercase and uppercase, right? Then we just need to check in question if there is lowercase came, if the lowercase appear, so we need to put first occurrence. For example, lowercase came, so we need to put first lowercase occurrence, then uppercase came, then to put first uppercase occurrence, then again lowercase came, so we need to put second lowercase occurrence. If lowercase came, so we need to put third lowercase occurrence. So for that need, for example, we have 1 to 10 element here in lowercase, and let's say we have 1 to 5 in our uppercase. So we just need to put one pointer here, right, and one pointer here, and according to the occurrence of a character, like if lowercase came, so we just need to access this element and increment this pointer. If uppercase came like this, so we just need to increase our pointer to next uppercase character, and we simply print that. In likewise, we reach the end of both the pointer, and we're done with our statement of question. So let me code it out, this question. Okay, yeah, let me remove this all. Okay, so what we have to do first, let me declare to vector to storing the uppercase character and lowercase character. So vector, let's say it's character vector, and I am declaring like small for lowercase and large for uppercase, right? So now what we need to do, we need to traverse through the string which is given in input, let's say auto xs, and now just need to check if is lower. If x is lower, then we need to push in small dot pushback x, otherwise it's uppercase character, so we need to put in large pushback, right? And we put okay. So till now we done with, for example, let me try taking to dry run also. For example, we have string has a a b z and c. This is, so till now we're done with, like, in our small, let me zoom it out so it is quite clear. Okay, in small what we have these things a b, right? And in large what we have, large we have this capital A, capital A, capital Z and capital C. So till now we separate the lowercase character and uppercase character, and now we just need to sort it out. In the same way we have to sort it out the uppercase character also, and large and large, right? So now we sort, so what we have, right, in this thing, let me copy the state comments. Okay, so yeah, this is already in sorted order. Sorry, it's b, not v, it's b, right? So this will change like c and z. Okay, so now we just need to this two pointer, as we discussed, this pointer and this pointer, so we can trace the position. So let me declare to pointer, for example, say int I equals to 0, and let's say int j is equal to 0. So we put it on the initial position of 2, like we put I here, and we put J here, right? And let me take one empty string so we can say answer where we can put our required character. So now again, once again, we need to traverse through the S, and we again need to check if is lower, then we need to add answer plus small, because if it's lower then we need to take one character from this smaller, this, right, like this, and we need to increase our I like this. So smaller of I, and also need to increase I, right? Otherwise if it's not smaller, then run this code of statement, and what we need to add, we need to add large of j, sorry, j, and we also need to increase j, right? Okay, and finally we return our answer. Let's run and see if there any error so we can debug it. Let me run the code, and yeah, there is error. So s, okay, we need to change this str. Let me change it. Okay, let me run again, and again error. Okay, there is spelling mistake, and okay, now, and it's executed successfully. Let me run this, submit this code and see if it's passed all the test cases or not. And yeah, it successfully passed all the test cases. So thanks for watching this video. If you guys have any doubt, you can comment down in comment section, or you can join my Telegram channel. Thanks for being patient.